So you're looking for a way to remove pet hair from your furniture. Well, imagine a world where your dog doesn't want to sleep on your brand new sofa. Well, that world is just never going to exist. Now imagine a world where you can easily go on Amazon and buy a device that quickly and effectively removes fur from your upholstery. Well, today we're going to look at a device just like that, and it's called the Chom Chom roller. What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be discussing Amazon's choice for pet hair removal, the Chom Chom roller. So just like our recliner reviews and our sofa reviews, we're going to be breaking this down into different segments. First, we're going to start with the product features, then move on to proper use, and then finally we're going to test and see the results for this product. So let's go ahead and get started with those product features. The first thing you notice when searching for pet hair removal is the Chom Chom roller. It is an Amazon's choice with 4.5 stars and over 4,000 reviews. 4,000 reviews, I'd say that's a pretty good start. The next thing we're going to notice about the roller is that not only is it reusable, but it doesn't require any batteries. It is also made of eco-friendly BPA recycled plastic and has an easy to clean dust receptacle located on the back of the device. It states that it works on upholstery as well as blankets, beds, and more. So today we're going to test it. Now, as you see, the Chom Chom roller has bristles here and devices that move back and forth. So what this does is it actually creates static electricity and sucks up the fur into that. According to the CEO of the Chom Chom roller, you want to move it back and forth real quickly in short bursts, not slowly in a long burst. And just like that, it is all gone from the rug very easily. And if we pop this open, there it all is. As you can see, it is covered in fur. This is where the cat sleeps every day. Look at the difference. And that is what we have for the Chom Chom roller. It is something that we do recommend to all of our customers or anybody out there who might be using fabric on their sofas, recliners, or other furniture, or rugs on their floors, or really anything that might attract pet fur. So this is something that is recommended. It's easy, effective, and affordable. Can be found on Amazon. And not only does it come in just standard white color, but it also comes in cat version as well as dog version in case you love one, the other, or you want both. So if you check in the description down below, you'll find a link to all three of them. Also in the links, you can find a link to talk to one of our degreed interior designers that can help you fill your home with beautiful items and make it a masterpiece on however you want your home to look. If you like what you've heard and you want to see more, you can always hit that subscribe button located down below. You can leave us a like, a comment, or even request any other items that you might be worried about for your furniture.